Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Introduction to Generative AI, From Recognition to Creation. Hey everyone, Chaitanya here, and today we're unlocking one of the most exciting shifts in artificial intelligence. For a long time, AI was like a super smart librarian, excellent at categorizing and finding information. Now, it's also an artist, author, and even a coder. We're moving beyond AI that just understands what something is, to AI that can make entirely new things. Get ready to explore generative AI, the power to imagine and create. Before we create, let's quickly remember traditional AI. Think of it like this. You wanted to build an app that tells if an email is spam or not spam. You'd feed the AI tons of emails labeled spam or not spam. The AI would learn the patterns, certain words, sender addresses, and then, when it saw a new email, it could recognize those patterns and predict if it was spam. From a developer's perspective, you're building models that classify, predict, or identify based on learned rules from labeled data. Now, imagine if instead of just identifying spam, the AI could write a completely new email that looks exactly like spam. Or, ideally, like a perfectly crafted marketing email. That's the core idea of generative AI. It's not just recognizing a cat in a picture. It's asterisk drawing a new cat that's never existed before. This isn't about finding an answer from existing data. It's about producing original data. For developers, this means instead of building a system that answers yes, no, or cat, dog, you're building a system that can create an entire story or image. So, how does AI imagine? It's not magic. It's incredibly sophisticated pattern recognition. Imagine you want an AI to draw new cats. You show it millions of cat pictures. Instead of just learning what a cat is, it learns the asterisk underlying structure and patterns of what makes a cat: 2 eyes, pointy ears, whiskers, fur texture. It doesn't copy parts. It learns the recipe for catness. Then, when asked, it uses that recipe to synthesize a brand new image following those rules. As a developer, you train these models on vast datasets, and then you prompt them to create something new based on what they've learned. Generative AI comes in many exciting flavors, each a new tool for your developer toolkit. 1. Text, like ChatGPT. Asterisk these are called large language models, LLMs. Give them a prompt like, write a short story about a brave squirrel, and they'll generate paragraphs of text. You can use them for writing code, summarizing documents, or even chatbot conversations. 2. Images, like Midjourney, DALL-E. Asterisk provide a text description, a futuristic city at sunset, cyberpunk style, and they'll create a unique image from scratch. 3. Audio and video. Asterisk imagine generating background music for your app, or even synthesizing a human voice from text. The possibilities are truly boundless. For developers, these typically come as powerful APIs you can integrate into your applications. This isn't just a cool parlor trick. It's a paradigm shift for software development. As a developer, generative AI gives you content automation. Asterisk instantly generate marketing copy, product descriptions, or even initial code drafts. Personalization. Asterisk create unique user experiences, custom avatars, or tailored content. Rapid prototyping. Asterisk quickly generate design ideas, storyboards, or mock-ups. Creative augmentation. Asterisk act as an infinite brainstorming partner or artistic assistant. Think of it as adding a powerful, creative co-pilot to your development workflow. Ready to dive in? Here's how a developer starts with generative AI. 1. No deep math needed. Initially. Asterisk you don't need to be an ML scientist to start. Focus on asterisk using these models first. 2. APIs are your friends. Asterisk many powerful generative AI models, like from OpenAI or Google, are accessible via simple APIs. You'll make HTTP requests, send prompts, and get generated content back. 3. Learn prompt engineering, the skill of crafting effective instructions. Prompts to get the best output from the AI is crucial. It's like learning to speak to your creative assistant. 4. Start small. Asterisk build a simple app that generates a poem, creates an image, or summarizes text. Experiment. The best way to learn is by doing. This is a new way of thinking about building software, where you instruct rather than code every step. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.